All right, there's no gatekeeping here. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret how you can get gallery quality prints at home. Now, before I go on, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that like button while you're at it. Now, here's what I mean by gallery. You guys have been into the art galleries or maybe into a museum, corporate installation, and you see these beautiful glossy aluminum photo panels. What if I told you you can get the exact same product here at Heat Press Nation? Well, you can thanks to Chromolux. Now, Chromolux aluminum photo panels are available at Heat Press Nation in heat pressable sizes like this beautiful 12-inch by 18-inch panel that I have right here. Of course, we have a bigger selection available for you to check out. Here's what you're gonna need to customize your own Chromolux aluminum photo panels. The Epson F570 large format desktop sublimation printer, the HPN Signature Series 16-inch by 24-inch heat press, and of course, your Chromolux aluminum photo panels. Now, these might be big ticket items, but the profit margins on these panels are fantastic, which makes them a lot more accessible than you think. And here's how easy it is to press. We call it the 4 Ps. You print using your Epson F570. You prep using a little bit of heat tape and some parchment paper to put on your heat press. Then my favorite step, you press. Now this photo panel takes only 60 seconds on the heat press set to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally, after our press is open, we're gonna let it cool for just a few seconds and then we're gonna peel it to reveal our beautiful gallery quality aluminum photo panel. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, it's truly that easy. You could order your Chromolux aluminum photo panels and more heat press equipment and supplies at heatpressnation.com.